got it, so enjoy it. You did it just for fun. Another complication that makes you wanna run. Another person talking, thinking all the greats. Another empty party with people with a name. You know you're done pretending, so just take off that mask. Another headline story, eventually a pass. Is another misconception that only you define. Another chance to push away your pride. I know sometimes you feel like you don't wanna be where you are, sipping champagne, dressed up in the back of a car, feeling out of control, can't get out of your head. But you know it works out in the end just